there is this American, astronaut. They say somewhere around 1999, 2000. Oba Ghana na obeye course kind of exchange program nibi. Na obeye exchange program nibi no kwase me wom ni say Oba no crowd obesua about African studies, chi for beginners, ti obesua twi pa do bezo ti twi a twi for beginners obeye bie o Legon. Na oye humanitarian courses ni bia sa 1 year duration 1999 to 2000 more. Na omo ko the current NASA for omo ko eye ewiem akomun so no. If I don't kwana eye oba wom. Na wa de ade bia beto a mawiase nyina eni asa abagana so. O say owo wiem wasa no mu hwehwe wiem wa no mu hwa no hu Ghana ho wiem. That enyaje. Se okai sene Ghana fo sitie efe wa ye no eni adusua kakra obesua wa ha no a na me enyaje papa. Tie ya sa ne Ghana flag yi no de boho ne boho tewi. Christine Couch no. Or the ball tewi. Ababa wa yes in fact omo munim Ghana yi omu guso amu ehwe said the Ghana city na a course debate bi na debate na ba na manfo se ababa wa dia waye Christina Couch dia waye I say Ghana card ye mani bi ne ma ne be citizen a man diplomatic passport. If they say obi by na say ye de ai enkuto atwi no amenkuto no Ghana enkuto agidi nti yemfa de nko yamane Ghana card yamane nye citizen dia baba we de odi Ghana ko wiem odi Ghana ko mu ni so edi ababa wanini Christina Couch no ni very beautiful woman is around 41 or so, the 40s, 41, 47. Yeah, may getting back to you. In fact, Ghana for ni bi kura ho busua de wa hadom ko dra brochira on be so mbeche so me Ghana for bebre wo amonone a omanya portfolios akese se nya time e bi on be so mbe ya kan say politics are now omanya position bi na contract bi omun da omu adi so me Ghana for the ababa wa we exchange program keka oba ye no one shot da mesua de so best go oba exchange program besua twi beginners twi for beginners sua humanitarian life sua African history sua the history of Ghana ekoduru dwem kra wakai Ghana na emu bi o ha yete ha yemputi Ghana on the world map no kwasha baby cry empese obi aba hu se Ghana for the more ready ababa warai efe pa why de te me hu na I was happy said the page na be recognize onchi I recognize it moments are kakra obu spending with other people ake wi ase ke be koye nim pa ke be koye nim e me hu ye na me fe pa okay so I'm asking the question say the amount for debate say ababa wa na o se Legon for anano say the danom His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Nkwale Nkonfo de ya omu hu di omu nya America oda eti omu agba agui ababa wa de ba anka yemfra no emfa ne ma Flagstaff House ko ye Nkonfo be bro ma ba Flagstaff House omu nya ye bibi pa bia mo mai and I say University of Ghana mfra no and a doctorate bi kra de dia anano funde omu portfolio omu title say they dia anano into so adwen ye o say wo ho anope ba menti onka for an stage program 1999-2000 duru wiema kai Ghana. And so beautiful. During the weekend, so na Ajayi say because Easter break ikoso. Na before that, na mbekon market say nkofo bi say omuye Soloku festival. In fact, me tena se hwa na me hwe gomuafo de a. Ka me fa gomuafo de ni bi to so mami. Na omotimi aka ma fei Shatawale ne partners kra say sa fun bi me money din fun bi on person de bakrom ba be si
Sompa FM
omo factory ni bi odma betimi a produce fun tie de nkofo de apen nkofo mu wo business ideas a on person de invest in gomwa ya de living legends yen but South MP yen Professor Lokuni to so mami ala wo the age group now no dey age group now am for targeting a youth nwe na share South MP lawyer pao o dey start time cry kan ho asema nke be ye no ka o dey ka ye fast never industrialization be any business oriented. Oh, nyame adom. Oh, your lawyer moi, one of the brilliant guys we have. Now brilliancy from academia no. Edru fia untimi nwadwen foforo man. Say go for me do ati say mu yesulu. Na kwa de onye serious o. Onye serious say de Kevin mo da so de ade ato omunim de oso mu ya omunye. Ah? Eti ya so ya dia no
Sompa FM
ya ko ba ya no na ben shout out amanfo ye gomwa manfo ye business in kwawu fe kura de John Dramani mama excellence say o obey o makwan say be a traffic ma on be penkofo amoba be si trasako foi abe si adan ni bi o honum na say ayi I can say kwawu o de ja trasako honum te say de nkran bia yedim trasako yenso ya hadie menshia South here you have an MP oya lawyer mapa lawyer odimade academia obi no oye on credentials is enya asem kitwa MP badwen amayen MP badwen amayen anenie na akoba saa anu adin tiadi ayenso yenya ayen no awa Ashanti region na anu bia ayenso obi akodrodro down yente ase akopeti akose no kwa onsem kra yenkanwie na obi apempuntuo because udru sunyan east omwampi oye sunyan unity festival omuye academic way wom debate and all that no omuye projects wom ni nwom be ya aboa kro no omu wi ahensema na enye ho oma try so omu ebe boa ma unity aba omu yo omu de anigi atoa so targeting the youth say youth ni beba youth ni ba omu inviting kofo from other jurisdiction no ma be ka sa kro mu na enwom koso mo ambo talent mo talent ni enwom board mo mra yamfa mo fa workshop mu go mo afo nso saa ya try some the businesses beba hobe industrial hub hobe say tourism a center ya be tourist attraction come up ediama. These are innovative ways of for edging so much constituency be real. innovative ways omu plan is om do omu region ebewrem. Innovative ways Kevin say video nya red gram of an picture and to me nchen. Innovative ways yababua amaga na mabuna nya adwuma ye. Ekro MP de ye living legend. Ye men shares out. Solo kube twabeki, ube twabeki. Aka solo kunkwani ankata fufu. That's how there now every weekend be a yehubi. Na MP nkope ideas mrani enye simbedi MP echi obedi echi because you to no franco. You to no answer down ko program no. Cause omo tira se dwen se adwuma yepe enyema yepe now the other baba Soloku festival. Na kwa we pa dia na ba da adwim. Even the caption itself no kranye. And then about kwa we adwim. As a member of parliament, and your constituency be akwa Manchester South, and your MP of the trade to be out a learned lawyer. Says the amount for any abra mu ye innovative ways o mu di put to juma be ba ma o mu you teja bi no. E de nam krom se Soloku. Sasa we dwen kra ya mentiase. Mentiase o. Crowd and Shabbat Munyan for pa ben shas out the B. Munyan for pa. Very gentleman, a very nice gentleman, a lawyer, an astute lawyer. Now drink pa ma constituency, I drown the mom say, who you Soloku festival. Atabraka. Around do grounds of clan and Nisu Brinos or ya. Uza Kwabi Kwakuso Nkro piano or Piapa not watching cra, or soon not watching. Na kaka so ya de yanka youth no omumbongu achi so do be Soloku no kra akasambre why a workshop seminars e de amomu youth no come shout boys in say some go school pa learned guys go yanya workshop amomu su adwuma entrepreneurship ni ade yanya je ni nyina amomu afel common fund kakra obenya omon be you know o dia che o ma de say mon capital seed capital mon fanko e bibi na afe ye wie ni nyina o de ani je kitua bi asomu a ko bi be kaza na de amafo ogugomua amafo ogusuyani east amafo ogu hin ye niema ko ni ade om de be support om constituents e be support om maburu ni om mabawa wo de ot ya se o Soloku na bi we pass na de Honorable Adabraka, you are one of the MPs. Me, any boy, ya me campaign here, me feeling the power, me chance are we, or a future president, or a future without failure, you could group when you're not the big baby. Says Soloku festival. You are not saying, sir, don't let your people be happy, but you should think through whatever you want to do, even the caption itself. Ya asantidi biad me say I can Soloku yenim what it means. Yenim what it means. Even the caption itself. So we Soloku festival. Adabraka. What kind of leadership are we getting right now? I don't know. Every honorable and learner and astute lawyer like you every where they were in what go for big time at time and you so one MP there also me MP Soloku festival. How can I tell people say me MP Soloku festival? Be them catch them in call for. The caption is a from for saying the caption no quite that's Soloku festival no come saying. And then way Baby, I had your boys in your drum, you don't can your mouth for me, my say. Why house is Soloku festival? And I'll grow here and you saw crowd chromasa. Now, no minute, I'm a crowd, baby. I'm saying Soloku festival, near you. Papa, almost me MP this Soloku festival. A dear man, ya DBA, Mamma was say Soloku festival MP. How you articulate things say parliament or say about TV or say how you articulate your things in the power. Then you gain your be implement bibia. Dia wo ye ni. My catcher says me ni ho ya wa na meboa. Said the nipa do dwa num pa say o de say go wa ben wo ye lawyer na de ade. That is a green day bibia. Na dia we kura de wan ma so sa da yi we. Everything. And now, Kevin, if the video is ready, Fatu no more ready a call so. Ade. Mugu ya masi too much. That's just out MP. Oh, na na mo de mo hwenu oni. MP so no ko MP. Asa bi ke maburi ko mu gu na chiki ko kura fo
Sompa FM.
Mo na bom kura awie. A mo no mu bibi di. Che o mo mu di na chiki ko kura fo ko Mr. White abesiru afo nko awe. O mo mu di na chiki e kura de no. Wa ko hye wo ya wie awi. Wa ko hye wo ya wie we kura de no. A ko hye we na mo. Say Zoloku Festival. My foot. Ade ano. Wehwe won fu akakraka o mudidi na chi. Samo ye de amu ye Zoloku Festival. Na mo ka se kroma ye ni bibia on. Na se ni bibia. Bia so re zehunu sa. Na eko. Ero bia so obeka because so ko na afia kakra. Obia so obeka o. It's already not the mia. Obia so obeka. This time say the nine when she has out the nine. What? What happen? You to na bere mo baby sir. Let them pay you money ma grab money so. We dey am na baby man na bere mo baby sir. We ye dey nyan. Otu na baby abrem sir. MP sponsorship. Sponsorship, one of the biggest sponsorship.
Sompa FM.
A money ye nuane, ye seminars, ye way, lasa wano, nya bosolo kunika krebi. Aka wan entertain you. And ye give kiti can't take segment and take center you know. Can't take kiti be there sha ho. Kiti be na get their project baby. Yes, seminars and Sano Juma for Mumra, one ko school Mumra, and share the knowledge with more. On pen for you to do much ya, a beautiful kakaka, almost abobra, no more to 2-4. No more to 2-4. Or Bianco can't because of can't. Or so labor, but dear Mecca, I don't need it. Ye any ya me am about Tanabo me MP Abaso. But why then ye dear Becca? Massa, and yet, Chroma our constituency be a constituency. They would. To him, that much is given, much is expected. What? Anabu Soluku, Mammy Fancy. My member, now, Mammy Catcher Minister of Agriculture say. The fact that Burkina Faso for catcher say into suno obajai or band na that's no more year free so my left no. It doesn't prevent a year ministry they say. Young can say yes self-sufficient when it comes to producing tomatoes. A plans I do go abonte say about no. My ya drink say. My ya drink say. Ye jai because Burkina for that me kwan say ye me fantos. And yama ye pese ye na ye ntimi nya vegetables na no sorty. Niger for jene na mo kofa ba no se mate. Yes. Jene na ye ma me mo kofa ba so ate honso. Nya me kasa kire se ko bibini ko daki Ghana ni edwin. Nya me kasa kire. cause na no Burkina for sorry Burkina Faso Burkina so bu my yen me fantos Burkina Ade Akye Niger
Sompa
Niger
FM.
oh Yehovah ti say akura ade na haya the tobia miki wa betiase o mentiase se jene for so ti nyame ka che se mama masase mondwen na munya bibi mondwene na munya bibi na munya asada bia mo de mo ma mo ka so amo na mo ka asa kese na mo ne nam kwa akopɛ ayi eniama aba abra sanya mana yebetima dua bi ama yedie no kra be kama ye work Center for the Indian Research Crop and Indian Research they na wa agrikens man the woman point just research ayi bia ye obi research ayi bia we have it but what happens we have everything but what happens bogus na jiyagu Kwame tenase na anopa yewura ye na aria ba ko so ekoso o afu about one MPP for so ba to batise masha ase ebubam hodua momom hodua na mu nko but the dua ba ko ameti wo ma sa ma me na wo se ye de no kwa ahemfie kura eye sa nkwase asem na ya me pese metibi so obi bodua o senam de o ma da wase o ma no de ma no ma ye den sa nkwase asem no kura ya so kura wase ma me de no kwa ahemfie tentem kura no so ba bodua nam de o ma da ase ei ade ni peti modern sa ade ni peti modern sa samanya mamanyo sam na mo ye na bebo obi dua boni dua ono ana be ye but emfa ni masem de o ma ba be da ase ade abai sem no akwada no ye innocent oni mu hwe no ni ade ono so ataato ni ade ono so ataato mamene yera osai to for Eric any kobo on a national chairman Matos Traders Association better to for my chair now pom to say say working up fast off was mutim be fanto so no enti mukasa sha se kwa na
ya casa na ye control e
Sompa FM.
Burkina Faso government is there or the tomatoes no be the factory na oko process it says wait say your importation na your import to the ban or say you cutting it down and I'm so ama you start to regulate your importation so me no ka say no think campo me regulate cross border trade
Mr. to form regulating how
then you meeting country mono say you import 240 truck failure say was say cutting it down man about 20 na kwame na we first cutting it down say who are ranging traders by greater credit level and tractor I will say ready man na something ranging level 5 tractor I will say the man I will say in such a way that tomatoes no you import more than the affected Burkina government ama was the band actually so yeah
enti na chese kane mode cars be edu na kwa se de chi se be enum
planet here because ban now let's see or left with condition is there on also be fit in the factory
yeah
at the same time importers so obema yakwan amayato we as traders And also, you want to say, yeah, CD, yeah, target, and I say CD demand, now or no, also to on a factory, obey me a bandy in you.
It is a nice factory nya enough raw material, tomatoes na. That is a maybe a mo.
Sanity.
Hey. That is a way crowd and yeah lasting solution, Mamos out.
Maybe. And no, China, as quickly as possible, no. Association, yes, cut it down, the importation. Yeah.
Say at least region bia benya kakra. I see. And as I said, the adjuman then your bet about that so at you.
Yeah, bro. About Pia prefer of Codian Nakoma.
Sompa FM.
And the how better.
Now, move mamma checks me, ye say, bear, do through penning while him sometimes ye movie. Your person saying to never didn't other rules are more de bem. Move my regulating ye.
Yeah, go super, yeah.
That's for my men. So, what about that Sweden? Now, may we show the very best. I mean, come on, why?
Come on,
yeah. Error side to for Eric and a national chairman, Tomatoes Traders Association. Now, he said, you're saying no. I don't pay you, Omabi Mamu, Muna. They say, Jennifer no more came. Why am I not paying much?
Obeni me also.
And Pom to say,
Obadia da Roma. Me hoye, obedi mpacho na onso e.
Obadia do me so me hoye pa.
E da twedi ampo Nyankopon na se pa. Obeni weekends na that say.
Kwame weekends na ewa.
Holidays no so e.
Holidays na emuwa.
Na emuwa.
But it was very hectic.
So okay.
Very, very hectic.
Okay. It was a bit of eventful kakra na say na biasa nim.
Ose where was me and and now one so 1 or 20.
Yes.
And pay ye betcha chichiku upon chichiku.
Yes, ye betcha upon chichiku. Ni amane congratulations. Ye so na Kwame Asiedu Enoch. Ono ye man congratulations.
Yeah. It Kwame yen kan say arewo semba ni jesem so. Ewiasem that is how our
yes.
Yanka say enua upon chichiku.
Yes.
Kami won for you no upon chichiku.
And now no
memene da.
Ne ho so mane ko hu abusuan foforo eno oni abusuan ni di nkomo na abusuan ji tu mu
akofa bi abada
ena afi abusuan de ombeji no mojiye ena afi ene oponchecheku akofa de zuaba
ti yenu oponchecheku
obon congratulations
oponchecheku
ye seek for every blessing be a wa wade mu se twedi ampa Nyankopon e de bemma no
no kwase
enhyira bi a wa wade mu bia no nyame emfanom one ne ho kani na this new journey ya wo ba be embark on ye eternal journey no we wish him nothing than anijie kesiye peja ahodene seriye sika like abufuo de aburo so 5 minutes Kwame na ahye egu no masa kabum na de ekoso bia na akoso nti obonchecheku congratulations to you and your beautiful wife nyame entina ni mo nchire mo pa na fi oma eye mo junior yi ya mo find endane a worship for God himself ya ebedane a testimony to people say indeed awade ade nyame ahira so Obon, let me show no pay. Yes, and crying. Sounds like a parliamentary correspondent. You know, upon if you the buy. What? Upon, let me show why. On show. Come here, see you do so opinion of pay.
I see you do so. Yeah, no, so congratulations. Yes, you do.
Yes. Edi oberi akariaka.
Yeah.
Oberi akariaka.
Masa. Mo be into pressure wa ha.
Dey ba bla kai roti here. Executive producer dey kai what here.
Mo no kra me mpe na mate kra. Na abebu mabem.
Oberi, what dey me senior brother?
Why?
Your headmaster will teach me, or they send me.
Or say,
when is yours coming on? Oh, Benny. Medase no team anymore no. Owie ya la meto.
Medase pa.
Abrante no team anymore no wie ya Kofi.
Eni onyanko ye. Obehwe obi atofo so na dia ye we idia.
Adonai critical. Obedi anyways ma mencha ya tifo no pay. Ya more special good morning na fi. Ya no mo asese wo mo atene wo mo TV no tu. Sompa TV na frequency no so mo dey ato 93.1 Sompa FM. Omo so ma join here on Facebook any YouTube nso ye do mo se ye kasa ye ni so anopa yi se wo mo join here no mo dey e ba be di juma e wo honum Kwame once again ma menchia me crew mu for Kwame dan so for me mo special good morning oye ne kese bi to community ba ko wo ho ye from Mframa nsu toye man frama pepa dan so
ye free kro no mframa
ena mframa kwa kudi obobone edi mframa for
mframa ahomonwoma ya babu kafa
ade mframa pepa omo dan so apegya omonwoma sese omonwoma areho pa Kwame areho ti ya mo kafra na menka mo na matese member of parliament meaning conflicting statement neighbor difference TV chrese o donate 20,000 the emomo bi so akwakocho MP Kwame Juma se ampafo
okay
o donate uko Facebook nso and communicators nso say 2 billion worth of donation easy minim
say bit mattress am sa amake ho
asa pass ho ato na say etojewa say ti so but ya nesa Kwame di kan Kwame we dia mesrew na me fa sa piri ni kan bases na tu free sunyane eba Kumase ne de tu free Kumase eko sunyane no Kwame it is high time was wo value passengers or motena buses in mu it is high and hard time was wo di buo ne nidie e de ma passengers because obi wo ho Kwame wa parking the car bibinti and also oba be fa bus no e de akosunyane anasa free sunyane aba Kumase na Kwame obi ba betena bus ne mu bus na glass ni nyina si tokuru ba kokura na baby a na car ni mu nso san ye hyehyehye Kwame ni nyina akire nso sensuo sa atonso a bus no so sort senchense dan ya ntokuru didam Kwame anyuru say to na passengers go bisa na drivers for ni meet for sere won wo empenyans asem bi nka nkyero mo obeti sa complain bi na woso mo ye complain ben na woso mo ye drivers mo na mo fa passengers di omo namu no mo na mo tigu mo sum mo na mo di information ko ma honest ni mpenyifo no ndi ya mo ka ne sen e na omo nti ne yie because ekobasa dia na say mumu passengers wo mo fa passengers nya hwehwehwehwe jese mo de musika mo bagidi afiri omo ho no eno ne hia mo gi aso mo comfort said yen emfam ho ba ku sei yesre mo at least mo ma passengers ni value for money buses ni ye dada kura na mo tena mu a omo nya omo comfort kakra omo nya like omo ho nto omo kakra awie ba o show ensuo so ta ensuo no esosogum aden na lafia aden tina mo yesa we dey yesre first of all ye dey achopa na edikan ansane na dey aka bia na china bi montu one na mo ye dey asoso ye pa mo acho buses na mo load from Kumasi to Sunyani from Sunyani to Kumasi no ayeda dadodo atetia pansam dodo and I'm going so a passengers brewum wamo bre mo drivers ni bi ni mates for no so enim kasa mo ni o mo nkasa na fi mo hwe na mo mfa asiesie enko sa buses yi ho aden ani pa na hwe GPLTU for na atumi anopai mi hu say yes bus I will be free for free sunyane aba kumasi to sunyane Kwame e cost 70 Ghana cedis, almost 40% increment. At the end I'm to ho increment you cost so sa fuel no ahia na yatu munti a increment na cost so sa ye gitu mu say increment aba fuel no so, but at then 40% from 50 to 70 the mekan no pay if it is what we are going to go by there and mutrimo dio e wosoro dodo aden passengers no munwini say wo mo so mo bre ansa na o manya sika ba betua lorry fare na ana mo dia mo check ya ni say mo dia ebe boa mo nko na mo check timamufo ye bre wo mamu ha o se bibia anya pega free bebia last point na ba be good timamufo so the president of the republic yes raw ye bibi fa ho levies ne taxes ahodo e da so no yes raw yiyi bi free so yanka bi nchemu ye ho kire yan sa
mame ni komomra on transport na ye ni Alhaji Abbas Ibrahim Moro on the national PRO ma GPRTU. Alhaji anopai, salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Alhaji na ho ye de
ne ho ye pa wo so e
boko
Sompa FM.
Alhaji na se dia bebe afu e na mi anu aden pa o.
Oh, anu ye de asitra mo asen.
Na ya nyantie bi se mo pese mo yen sesan e wo senti abodim e ho asem te sei.
Nyame boa. Ene na ye di transport minister for be kwa kosi akonya. Normally say yes sesan the law say many ma transport minister for mo so mo no mo jam mo ma passengers mo. Nti sana na ye di asunge abetu ho. Nti ene nyame boa be kwa ko di say juma.
I am propose a percentage. They say percentage said I'm more equal.
Oh, media for money about time my.
Alhaji my young one. You was here the mamote so amati so.
Oh, that is percentage I had you call me. The hoboko. Now until you are rectified no. The power bunting over na obi wo jini no for say ya can't say percentage sa. Those who are baby no so say ya can't enti munya motel na. Si akonya no yi ade e be frame abalo. Na ye de ababeti em maso bebre.
Okay.
E be yi bebe kakra be.
Sompa FM.
When I'm saying ko 40 am. E ti say mu say ya abonte be can say spare parts price akoso. Enu wo ho. Lubricants enu wo ho. Insurance premium ya tumu enu wo ho. And a fuel nso so ma ya hu shawo ya hu ato kakra no enne fuel price no so ama no so enu so wo ho nti san che e Cambridge bia ye sisi obi na ejuma na ye ejuma no so ya mu amboa ya obi abe park no car no car say ya onye scam fa esi nti mu na so mu mumba modern so mumba buaye na yenko ya nini
Alhaji na the way o come ya ho ye dey na odi loop ni we nyina abekeka o mo factor we nyina ne se ne enye boko sa o.
Oh, that we say me cancel na there mo so me kan bi ama.
Yo Alhaji ene mema makwa aba na won se mo other colleagues omo ni mo union ni bi ahase enso totobom.
All along, no, we are expecting, sir, transport ministry to deliver. But yes, I think for the year to my say, check it, obi, ya, debina, and Danu Koya. A transport ministry for Netuma. Well, and this all moon to me checking out, or more, my choir, my bin, yet or more pair. And yeah. Yeah, move you in the media, move control, move. Control.
Alaji mame nase na monko e meeting no eba de besu ama ya hwefo ne atiefo nso ate
yanso yada mo asemi abotere a mo anye eda mo asemi.
All right. Alaji Abbas Ibrahim Moro ane national PRO ma Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRTU na say ne omukwa akohia minister ana ministry ni nyina na omuso eno omako kasafa. I think said this is what we've been preaching for. Say individual bia Kwame entena ba bi na on to
Sompa FM.
Ewa bra ministry ni nim ho hwe.
Yes.
We should have a proper control. Where VIP for the increment aba. So okwa Accra won say wo free na okwa Accra kan na say 120.
Yes.
Omuniu ayo omudi aba ha no Kwame is around 150.
150.
Ana wo free you can say wo free Accra enso so ekọ baby ti say sunwan a
200.
I don't so call 200 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Enti okwe increment na aba na Kwame anu edin
Papa.
Accra to Techiman 200, Accra to Sompa 230, Accra to Doma 220, Accra to Drobo 220, Accra Kintampo 220, Accra Seshijo Aboso 220, Accra Hafogoso 200. Why me say the old 200 abo home? Afumem 210. Dunkwa onofin 190. Asante Mampong 170 ufra Accra ba. Asante Bekwai 170. Yendi 380. Boga 410. Na Vrongo 420. Paga 420. Boku 430. Kulungugu 460. Wa 390. Kwame edidi so sa. Obo asefo mo de 180.
If
Bo mo ba atuma ebu akwa ne 160.
If we are to go by this, they are not just say increment in baby. I could do no.
Yes.
If you wish to join the end, they are not just a 40% increase.
Yes, Kwame.
Because from 50 to 70,
yes,
40%.
I say we must so I kumasi there no.
That's not
122 150.
That's not fair.
Enya wo fair asem no mutie.
Matthias here, but that's not fair.
What's the ministry na sebi. Omo money down.
Because Kwame Mekasa is not fair because increment above fuel ho say.
Ana make catch you say. Driver for the oje omo adebia what Alhaji Moru say. Or the luba bem or the insurance premium bem or na premium crowd o driver for say ni twa premium.
Hey.
Trotro wo tunyan Kumasi ha. 99.99 insurance omo twa premium da.
David.
Na me say insurance ya dia de busa drivers nye police for the becho man ko mu twa da. Because okwa claims are insurance companies ni be bribe at a man famu no driver phone bi okra do moje akiri edi Kwame mam samra ho bi ma
mate Kwame nti yesre mawie ehorom na manya ntie se APSD obonso Kwame dan so akoye donation wo ehorom ye de omunyina ase Kwame abrante ba ko Edmond Nouveau also he your Mampontin no just more construction
Sompa FM
no pay so yesu join it say wa Kwame we suja ni tse wa Kwame we suja ni tse wa enche be ware
nyamia se wanya bia wo be ware ye de nyamia se wanya bia wo be ware
na wo ba ware so na boys ani abrizi
ya wade de se nya competition
asemo
enya kabastad wa pam bia
da bia nya sa Kwame a quick one on manhia issue no Kwame I think say Manshia NP no maybe or on a style your person or they connected with the people of Manshia. Bia or coin be so person when in call for shall connected and sana maybe there's something mega behind. Wa baba shall say adanedi ewo honum. And sometimes when you phone be mother be pium so there's one way or the other they are going to connect themselves with the people of Manshia. Be fast so anya wade wum and also the keeper. If you first watch them penny for how they can link them up to some and never back home you be. And sometimes in penny phone being so yes they are only sending a message say yes they are around or more ground they can connect with their people and when they connect with their people they almost sorry almost jesu Nothing so enema because I know of Mpenifo who do PR when they are about to start something new. They start connecting like said the Ekosu, they start with some of these things. Na mabruno a budget so into omunya budget so pay, then it gives a room for the next view or the next phase of a Niama Hodwa. Mpenifo ISA womode beba ekwemu no no so to me abie kwan e dia mom. So I think say Nana Tiki say allow me share people to enjoy small. What you say?
I mean, who said the enjoyment shake and Tiki their best support.
Yeah, Tiki there, say Tiki there. It let them enjoy small. So I think say maybe it's a way of trying to connect and to resonate with the grassroots and to give them hope. Say yes, you were MPR. He's always with us. He's always like around now. On your mobility, attitude and I'm opening as some American. It you know. I think say for now, let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. When we are not here, subsequent Nema is seen and so if it doesn't really give meanings and reasons, then I think say and na video Yedika said there was a yedi tattoo be na yedi atatato ewo eye hodom na eno am chance on pure water for enkomo bia from the babontin na mpanyifo se omo hwe na omo toto niam asede stabilization of price and also the increment on some of these things na enhye down cost ro meka se ye memu ha pure water sellers nko na meka se womutumi control mo prices ewo Ghana ha. Apart from that, minhunu na minim womo produce niema wo krumu ha ne omemu ha womutumi control mo prices to say pure water sellers. Because at any given point, omo mayehu factory price, omo mayehu wholesale price, no matter how so mayehu retail price. Into womo hwe ni nyina wo koton nsuo na wonim say we me koton say we me koton say na enkonko yese market na edifa okoha we se me digisi okoha we se me digisi okoha we se me digisi apart from pure water sellers wo ye memu ha minim any institution and na product bia ye ton ye memu ha one more price control, and I give them that credit and I say bravo to them. Na meka se womo wakandifo ni omo penifo no womo bo adwuma nkasa womo nim de omo yenso. They are really manning the affairs of womo top pure water no sebe yo obi nkoyi obi bukata ekroma edie pa ne anim bie ma ye beka se price control ewo ho a beka se sisia se wo sori na wo kwa akoto ade na wonim se price ni to say nti wo kɔ ha the same price womo price yo mo dia babontin enne Kumasi the same thing, Sunyani the same thing, Ukomi Krom Kwame so the same thing. The biaye tobia the same price and ye kwakoton wo hono. But in this our country we have other consumable products. Kwame pricing at time. And now me said me call pharmacy bi Sunyani. And I feel me questionable. 3 places na ma questionable. Adro bako obeko baby 5 cedis. Baby 7 cedis. Baby 10 cedis. Okoka almost say ejina baby omokofa no. Then I question the person say ejina baby amokofa na adenti na mum misa we no mo baby omokofa omo de na ne bo ofo na no so mo nkofa no ho. Na mo de we ya 5, we ya 7, we ya 10 aden. You see at time wo ye memu ha say yen shada ni control wo bibia so ndi ade bia na chese obi e fa so e de abuti memufo o di bu Ghana for because ye and debia meka because ye region ni ye West Africa ni ye memu ha chese we are so volatile ndi bibia ni a sabe ade bia nsamfata bia na finding the way through na edinsem hunu de kire ye. Just like that buses in come making. And so tona boa manfo te best mupa a togua manfo so. And we are so ba was so panzo or say a condition wakani. Aden. If you cannot run the company, munyai. the same thing so free kuma sunyane aba Kumasi station bi wo ho o se me di 50 we o se me di 60 we o se me di 65 we obia the reasons the basa aden e wo se hyase na aja mo amoton bahire mo amoton aburo mo amoton we ane mo de be faka mo de be ko yidie but at least se beduru Kwame Danso ebeduru Kumasi ebeduru Sunyane ebeduru Takwa ebeduru Diankwanta ebeduru Dunkwaodofin ebeduru Hefa at least munyina na mo wo sabia ye honom no e wo se prices no eye pe eni wo kwanse the same Diankwanta obeko store we ye ton sei obeko store we ye ton sei
Sompa FM.
And the bia mo yesanso ye wi ane de sobo no de akwakobo politicians ye wi ane de sobo na akwakobo ye aban mu mpenifo ye wi ane de sobo akobo we mu mi wa meni wo mienu ye involve ye kra na ye hyase ye man basa meni wo mienu ye na ye tirimu oden meni wo mienu enam se ye pesika no mo amana broso entino ye pekwan bia so abu ye yonko anya sika gu ye botom meni wo mienu ye nim se ebia Corolla ye tono sei nanso the same Kumasi Corolla no we be kwa koto ne sei na we be kwa kopiem the same Kumasi hanso wo koto ne sei aden ye yesa ye ne ani yeku ye hu ye ne ani ama o manu mu ahedin ye ne ani ama system no mu ahedin ye ne ana ya ma ye hu ntoye wo man mu ha aban de o wone de a obeye ba me ne wo mienu nso yanso ye contribution no ene escalate nioma yanso ye contribution no ene ma system no mu ye hard moma ye nwene ye ho na de ya ne se Kwame obeka kire wo se wunti o nye wunti a se wonya te sa asem no pe tuminika firi wo kokora kokoko onya ka se wunti enye wunti a obebu obeku obetwa wo kon ato bebi chese asa kwa yese se wunim obi kura nkoto ade wo no because wunim no ene obefa kwan bi so we ye papa o wunti na medeji sei enya wo a nka sei na medeji no dia wo sei je we need some kind of a year ye de be control your prices wo ye memo ha ebe ye den de but keti hamon no shase nkakra de fa no na ekoye nim kakra sa yes I dey you family rase
mera se Kwame Ejako na na manfo send me best say na poni kamoni panyi pa bi or a preacher o ma se men kebram so munya abotre mame say asem no so the court no ye be hu tago heba Mr. Capsules eboa etriti yade pa everything say impotence na erectile malfunctioning low libido atinkan wo form of ma any mema emu infections ahodo ni nyina ebeboa wo eduro ni beboa wo pa ti bomode ane pet tago heba mixture tago heba capsules ni bi na bobo na all leading pharmaceutical shops and drug stores ahodo ni nyina obenya bi tago de enim no nti ogina brane tago de otidi ni kura tago e chel say bo adwuma mema mo be manya adwuma na fe mu swete misramu a mo pebi na beboa mo sa so na oni atenka wo your ba wo ye be ma pebi ebeboa wo 0243 228296 0243 228296 anopay RSYD Novigi Studio se break aya film ahodo a peso otwa so peso otwa series say hudu say na say enche kram na kotwa hudu in Ghana movies ahodo yina wo ba ye betwa fine ahodo de yina timi ko ya advert movie ati no eti be sawa RSYD Novigi Studio one crane ya wo malam abiase off first Kokoko Street no anopɛ bomodin a ne frɛ 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and our office line 030 397 4822 030 397 4822 anope bro 397 4822 anope brain say uye streaming say podcasting ni nyina ye boaw na onso so watimi agina mu pa the state of the art equipment Ghana ha ba bia ofreya ye beba na ye no aba be di dwuma sonko kra eso ewo honum arapai mamen kanfoma say na meboa muntie me ye pa na meboa bosumi ya ye wo mu 16th of April Sompa FM Sompa TV Sompa FM Sompa TV yani Unilever Ghana Limited akabum Unilever for na de Pepsodent Pepsodent charcoal Pepsodent herbal ne de keka ho ba ye
Sompa FM
na ye hu se nipa dodo na wo na ne se ne enya ne ya tokro ntomu a ohun so dental issues ye hu se nipa bebre se ewo issues na munim enti ye ne Unilever for why to figure ay amanfo sko ye ne Unilever for akabum ana yese ye ba behwe wo sen e dia ma onyame bo on the 16th our Sompa FM ye premises say ya doctors ni free kolebu ebi free Comfort Teaching Hospital this hospitals are kese na yakon mabom so mumra na omo mehwe mo ne nurses ni nyina dental nurses ahudo ni nyina dental therapists fo ni nyina eba enti nyame bo a de pese ye pa mamu ewo sa bosumi wem say ye hwe mo siansa. There were a lot of events I yeshama your community ne your tier for ni ahwefo enti sa wo Kumase dia ene ne important a nyame boa on the 16th a free dental health screening we nya oba ni ahwe osen keke na say ade no hoda wunya solution we doctors ne kire de obeye ye the machines ahodo eba ni aba behwe enti hye no so say nyame boa on the 16th oba Sompa ye ha nefra no pa kopem anwumre bra na behwe ho professional dentist ankasa ana eba enti brain na yanyo ka prekra Unilever daroma omni Sompa yakan bom ana ye hwew ama ho ato anopai a Kingdom Herbal Center omu ana kofa baye
FM
omu na kofa baye e de no omu kofa baye Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters. Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters. Omo the kofa Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Omo the Almighty Tremendous Capsules unso aba. Eti anopai mesrawa kopa Kingdom Garlic Capsules no ebabu bobi. Na eno eyama obi a boost immune system no. Ema immune no strong. Sanso take stress away, anxiety, arthritis, ohodam na TTT, hypertension, stroke, heart disease, cholesterol, and abadiwa. Meso onya Kingdom Herbal Center for Kingdom Garlic Capsules nibi. Afe Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no eyama mema pa. Se usisi na yo ya ana wayemre wa se ohonam ayo buha bete o mental stress. Eboa anya physical energy ama dia ye adwuma eboa ompam dia na eboa physical energy nso meso eboa mo release a lot of semen ama otimia awo ni ameka so low sperm count bride na jo Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules tremendous capsules no ye ema ne dia ema na infio ne nkoye na scent wo ho afa infections ahodo ne ha ebeboa wo pa meso menstrual disorder o menses no enzisi su ya bomodin ne pebi na beboa o pedodo etua Kingdom Herbal Center Vocation Drug Lane all leading pharmacy and herbal shop ubenya biato 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 Arapai edian na wo otwen o twen dey wa ba Roman Father aduro no Father Martins herbal mixture eboa Father Martin herbal mixture eyi namness afri ho oyi stroke afri ho body pains body weakness ni nyina onam yaw onam mrew ni nyina e taken away pressure diabetes ebeboa pa onuma ebeboa saas da chronic diseases ni nyina onuma ebeboa pa sadro we onuma abonse nyamensa wo mankasa Roman Father na dro no eyama yade bia eye best medicine for all your sickness ebeboa drugstore bia pharmacy shop bia benya bi 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 0552 668517 0552 668517 abejafo atenase na abetenase na wetima atenase ye na usisi ntwewa onya the expert in sciatica Sharon said 21st clinic na expert in sciatica a clinic ehwe yade bia then so sciatica de oboni dia na je say 21st ni anopai so sisi achi etwe abeka na say mesra wa unya the sciatica expert 21st clinic ana eboawo etibomodia debra 21st clinic yanhwe o yade bia na entreat mawo a clinic laboratory service hodum scan hodum ye massage machine de any physiotherapist for so professionals omuboawo ye were more than 15 branches enti friend number we the be oni amuako 0249311311 0249311311 0540311311 0540311311 Kumasi ye we hwan overseas junction yani Alpha radio ne ben so Sompa TV Sompa FM ne wosro anomu ewo fom sa enso no boaz cancel quarters court junction ana behu yan Accra Munko Tantra Hill ahoda mbehu omu sunyan yani sunyan regional hospital ana di anhwe sunyan teaching hospital na di anhwe nkransa momrei tachiman so GN Bank omo dan dada animu eho ne ewo brai na yamwa na wo yade no enko Hanapa ya tena se na yedi nkomo fa comment no efa Facebook Sompa FM Sompa 93.1 na odefa wa ye beje edi amawo alapa minua hudu atena se topic so atena se na ye bereru nkomonim na yedi nkomo da ya hwe oban said ye esiko hudu anapa machi opinion pom to say no kwasem ti akadi aka
Sompa FM
oh Samu
almost every indication be actually say the government nye ahombo bia say opese obo ma yipa ho ye de hano because yeah me nana say ye nanu ne di Easter some to omo ye business forum bi e wo ko say okoye wotin sama APP ho say anamontu bi ho awa ya odum say bia say na Ghana fo nya gidi we mu say ye de ya mo ehomode ye mfiri sin ni mu na ye fatumi ma ndisi fo na mo mbra me Ghana mfiri nkokwaso mu ani ye di the no mo ka say di Ghana fo na mu no today we say baby a ja o man to ye na baby o man na beduru no sunsun ye be na ye abam den na eko sector be almost every sector amo aban ye adwuma nyina amo ye aban adwuma nyina aban de omoka sector bia ni wa baka say dia okay na de ha adwu kakra ne na nsen mo to mo di news we ba say teacher training and nursing training college for we school from 2023 no mo post wo mo no aban say wo fa teacher for 7,000 bi
yeah
na minim say enka ofa batches what I say but your minister statement now was say from 2023 2024 2025 only over 75,000 so you are picking 7,000 at least over 2023 batches some kwanon kwa from kwa not 4 and 5 now say the seniors na call if you watch the bed e beba but the way omo ye no omo di koma minu tije mu bi no mu da kwa omo connection dia koma party boys and no say na obi a wa school 2023 no obi a school 2025 now 2023 no when you access to say you post to no.
There was a caveat say we here for rural areas no. Yeah, they call him Kron Kitten.
Yeah. And I don't know, at least Omeko Obi anywhere.
Now
uncle, there's no single events and training or be pushing now because uncle. Well, as a crowd, more posting. Near one say 2023 batches near post to me now. I think I want to 24 batch a day. Aka, yeah, Kasa, say this is our target.
But I think even 2023 batch in the crowd also change 7,000.
Yeah, almost 16,000. Almost 16,000. The government who do the same thing about this nurses and nothing. I'm not buying it.
Abdul Rahman Hudu Anna Otenikano on your constituency youth organizer NPP Edra Seche Dumasi. Sounds na nua TJ enso TJ ma che TJ so Mike aso green there.
Yeah.
Good. Bibi akọ fine.
Bibi akọ so normal de Nyankopon ase. Say Nora me to anamo I call Western North. Na frankly speaking enkan no to fast akwan na kwan nya kra me personally me driving from that stretch na ko we djuma ye right from bibiani e dey call
Sompa FM
your friend say akontombra all that road stretch very very nice road because I'm sure said that was somewhere 2-3 years ago you cannot plow that road they say kwan no bibia e koso yo it is a water and what talk a crabby I the obey and most a mobile from see and then MPP time na net there was that kind of fight I couldn't acquire Iran America and Israel and I'm telling you say I think and MPP to say we are taking Iran, Israel and America levy. I think MPP for the bomb on the Amaya say fuel na anka ton 13 cities and 11 cities in neno e say e 20 cities and 19 cities and then bibia ko so normal de ma obia esre okodwoma obia esre but let me tell you when you chip into the farmers okonne and the farming communities people are smiling today products ba so kakra cocoa farmers esre cocoa farmer ne bufu a wonsu na ya MPP ni and now compare the amount I hear to cocoa in Ghana as compared to the Côte d'Ivoire. There's vast difference, and the Côte d'Ivoire is 1,756. Now when you come to Ghana, 2,500 plus. Ukura amount of the cocoa the ultimate about Ghana. So this will tell the Ghana economy is very robust. Economy and obia esre obia no osu o man enkan no ya sorry na say beto abia na man kwala kwa ye ni de
Mate medase
Tijani
Abdul Mumin, a former Zongo Caucus communication officer in Ashanti region. So Tijani so a Drameboa. I don't know much. Okay. How do?
Yeah.
Yamra such a water for so I think said na omukase said the nyoma polymania and the adibo caution. They have no option than so be increase your price. From the Ministry of Trade at the Ababontin say Omunomu akasa ahwekwan aban befa so atete some of these taxes ne and there may be a bambo no akosro na omotima maintaining the prices.
Now that before me tell you on the TJ allegations be say oko Western North region na amu ya kwan na asefo. And this for the it has become part of them all the time and now mobile ban mu no there's no rule that any started completely within this 1.5 year of mobile ban. There was no single rule in this country. Our master started completely. So what we say come be the why and another dan go for Dr. Mahmoud Baumi adwin. Da ya omuson ye and am akwan na be da ho no. I'm not saying even 10 kilometers of road is incomplete by Okra. Ebia ne ye na ma be to so awie dia fine but so master te akoko wie dia. Omobaye. There no single road on country is there. Yeah. Say continuation then you credit the government now or the was start here no because the maybe twa mama ka say we Ghana kwan nyina. Na dan Akufo-Addo ka say okọ western region akwan unhu be akwan won say one why kwan nyina ntini na dan no say na do that one that story no say na do eda ntini na okọ ya kwan so esumuta offers o kind that statement na and na me ka answer no o say family me ni na efiri dwura sasema wo kan odi agokọ dwura nda o mebo no say farmers esre odi agokọ sasema wo dwura market wana say dwura o mebo no o na woni o wi a ono o te ha onko me 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 ka sasema wo ha farming ndi sabe farming adwuma say be aya adwuma hunu I'm for so being this. Yes, I'm telling you for a fact. So life depending on farming, bra, and easy. And go to a dra. What the one they won't know until I be a name and bob of farmer. We okay.
Sompa FM.
Any no, I know that you do good no by anything. Never could be a bosom tea. Be crap was happy. But a brew first need to 1,000 Ghana, 800, 900, and now about to 350 Ghana to pay 50 kg back. And to be me farmer, I make farm input no with the same amount. Now me the market ya test to over 60%, you know. Mess smiley. Yes, I'm too. Now no more on the only MC in buffer stock. So a buffer stock see you the name because all who say I'm always you be but on Ben and Nante, you over catch almost say on pay warehouses. Now more to upgrade a stock warehouse. There be on between you from market and not pressure adding. Now okay for I hamburger. On me almost 3 months maybe sana. On to a brook mood back on pimple. So you catch the NDC for say, among just our rhetoric and then someone more catch Ghana for it's an insult to the farmers. Omakasana a yaw. Cote d'Ivoire sana okawa. Cote d'Ivoire that's top 3,600. Or more price no money buy for next year. The motor friends saying 64 kg of friends cocoa no. Omotono 3,600 we Ghana second one. That's the amount. The one thing back now I'm trying to say be Cote d'Ivoire to 1,700. Now why do you even compare yourself to Cote d'Ivoire? Cote d'Ivoire, man promise on microphone on almost 7,000, 6,000. Muna mudi politics and they work come deal with that. Na Cote d'Ivoire nkwaya promise bia what is what justify your on for cocoa price and a fuel price in the nkwaya politics. Muna my Ghana politics basa na do some payment so ntina mo brem ho compare prices with other countries. We are above that. Nana me das me yenko main topic na mo dey by na say sachet water for na no news by mo your publication bi say o mo say o mo tum ako park now one park now 15 Ghana cedis na eba ya no we say na local guys and most of the time na depend also until we hear about Ghana population about 65% any na depend also until mutuma automatically na affect your consumers no and Ministry of Trade say one on ma kwashia adim komo say was wrong one komo nya abotwe na ban no betimi aye bibi afa ho say be ya polymers na any robbers na mo dey na so be den ebeti production cost no most of the time ho and second one electricity electricity no electricity don't mo wu area okay with that for at the moment and o ma ya madwe senti ka o metum na za robbers no ne taxes bia tax company bia wo mu no e cost to mo production na o mo nya hwe to mo di ko 15 series na ebe bo mo kakra na minister say one o ma kodim komo so it's a very good move. Let's put it in this way say nice say omo peto mutum na be fectie na watima tu sa na mo be yam bi ho say enti sen command so ran kasa ntia the government doesn't know say side way dey how mo ana as a government you need to be proactive. They be an NDC government o me reactive amount for na kan o ma react amount for kan e na o ma ka we kura na we dey yam fa na say o ma kan say enne ye be bo mo so o ma ya dey because ko mutum na be fectie o ma ya dey wo but o me kan say no the next 2-3 months no go back there na ko hwe o mo ye say dey we ya na hwe mfiri mo maye okay omo we campaign mo say nimo mo ya din Ghana every year be you consume almost 1.3 billion FNC poultry in Ghana ye use no Ghana and no mudi ma policy mudi nkoko nketenkete me den ebeba no minu atije free adwura nkoko nketenkete mudi ba na bi say impact be na aye wo omudi ma omo polling station they go from branch executives omo na omudi come omudi come omo so no nipa omo na omudi mu o mina minim mintina fidi kesi so en twa country omudi ma sankofo no na omudi ma omo so no ade esa twa wo kra no say omo ye say farmer bia na ko benya 50 omo 25 and omo branch bia nipa 9 and omudi ma branch in 25 to nipa ba ko benya ko 2.5 sana omo ye na mampom be we original minister go 2.5 say e bia nipa 5 nipa 2 ko dey 5 omo say nipa 2 ko dey 5 omo say na 2 mo ko dey 5 omo say eti sana omo ye no na mampom kra dey na airtime omo ka to omo ko che na omo say obi ase opebi and omo say omo lie na mo obi akoba the original minister na mahane de bia na TikTok na waji afa go to Mampong and see what is happening on Mampong and system bibia ni ho ekoso and this has been a political party de bia no minim for now no say omo ni bloggers no aye one omo better say tije better kai but now say oh me de me to abru me to by renting ne boy for I'm okay with that na you do film do produce aduane no nti sa nimo we omo aka ho asem no enne omeye na communication na come oh the government is doing something reasonable because we also increase the prices in as for but on bit mark has in the next 2-3 months we go then do that check up next and say sani man sani tia omo ye say omo ye friends saying tertiary institution almost stress free na say for na na kebe yanka mo fa mo cameras na mo ko tertiary institution na mo ko bisa se din na isi ho this year mo was see no the first year no 2025 batches no omo twia bi nya mu nyina na nya bet and the minister do na ye den enyaye omo call this year 2026 onto mo report 2025 later 20 bisa omo say ni person na anya sika oko immigration service fire service prison service omo nyina mo fall under interior no for almost 15 good months now aban we ntwa mo events and rent allowances omo chire omo sector bi anu aban no baka say ye ho atoye amanfo ye adwuma for 15 months teachers nurses omo nyina no aban ntimi ntwa omo ka with their arrears nti say na waka say economy ni koyi no say economy koyi asa nyem we automatically na say etimi boa na amanfo ho ehenha omo but with all this na mo say economy ni koyi a you don't need say obedi obika enkoyi nti na mudika sector bi anu ha aban we beka say wabo no homodin sector dey e good dey be me throw that challenge you know there no sector and more to event saying tertiary institution next phone egufie no and the teacher training class time be say omo mo pile o magu ho na ko 3 badges e wo fie ye ko anima na ye be yachi amambo beni ndi say na Ghana for eka sent MPP ye oman ni ye foto mi hye NDC nsa na don be ye ni dia na I'm telling you every Ghanaian na ko sell like to oman NDC ne obeni no ho say ko nim sa wo ja MPP ninka ya manage
oman with teachers here ya who can be brebe mo backlogs do so 23 24 say mo dia
dabi 23 enya 24 batches no omo ye service 25 nti omo na omo ye service 1 year
minister you know the buy no so can say 23
and na make say 23 no omo ye service 24 nti ninka 25 may and be omo nya main postings na ye tie nya say bia ye backlog to achiri omo the first na service ni on ye service buy nti na ye ade a waka say bia ye side a ye so ya course no but ye free so no na batch ba kura ni bi o maka fia na was ye post ma ya post omo no mo omo ye mo finance yes I must not promise omo say omo ye event say licensure
omo twam
na onto omo control last
omo try
yes so then omo can define was that promise omo automatic post ni na akoye bochi bidi
odo me da say tiye Ministry of Trade Ade Akye so but I was thinking say going forward na so mine yen hwe say nyoman kitinkiti basic one ye betima create an industry or a factory ya betimi a manufacture though is a good news who do so onyini because this is not the first time promises are being made
but you get answer na meko that topic no about am say who do anything with regards to the ngokwan kitinkiti ngokwan kitinkiti no I can say he wants to do or make a piloting. Because a piloting, they say, or be selected people, you know, their mom, no, or one no who, and say, about boy, my and that is a piloting. Into I go on and get away, you know, various a piloting. This is not the time for the production. And you have to exercise more restraint and all kinds of animals. A piloting. And piloting means that you give a small number of people say money na monkoye na menhwe
but okay is anything to go by better they go back up movies
and that is a part of the propaganda because no reasonable person oba pene dia akoko back at the movies onya dey just what I say
e na ministry no ade no e be o say piloting ye 25 aba ama half but the number of people sometimes you know party people how they behave.
I understand.
It will be channel, not the beba no.
I understand.
But ministry ni bonum so the bad baby any pa 5. Or munche no be anya 5 10. But over bedroom grounds it things changes.
Look, when you go to a Ejura person, me I can speak for Ejura. Your former secretary Mr. Okan, he posted those in best production. Yeah, the man say he should do the piloting. Listen, only here no mundu a certain stage with the feeding, then we disburse them.
Okay.
But what you say?
Yeah.
And in disbursing now for him, he's now the contact from government, Edeba ministry to the community. So it means that when the president money biba is the first person the president will give to enhance or boost business. And to Omona had a mile, so I say local people are some person so they are going to search. No one say whether if say that is the piloting.
But only the contact people.
That is the contact people. So now the contact person, Mr. Okan, when they need any resource knowledge, they see him Matawaja, he is more or less like training them to get the best.
Okay, that is a draft, but there are other constituencies who say Omu che.
That is
directly.
I have no evidence on that. It means
okay.
But I can't be a man and some boy only himself.
So with a drug in money and TSA, it's with that person and the time Beno or the Bema out and now no the and I said this.
No, what the amount after Nkoko the man out. And I'm telling you, that is where the problem is. And I'm telling you that do you know that this Salah na yatimedi ama yeni ajin na Nkoko nketen kan. Yes.
It's the Salah.
Salah. So Salah keto na etwemu. Onzo Nkoko Nkoko nketen ebua edu Salah.
How do you say this?
Edu Salah. Etimi koto Nkoko uje. Edu Salah. Me say etimi koto Nkoko be 10. Ba ko bia bo bet na $250. Na ballers na Nkoko nketen na he no man e dey aba no. Ama enne instead of saying $250 me ko omo ayen Nkoko na how me busy for na me tuma yan be $150.
Na Nkoko na say no matter. Pilot Nkoko the say.
Look, they bought about 20,000 to Ejura.
20,000.
Forget about you.
1,000, almost 500 we.
Go to Kwame.
Just 20,000. Then it's not piloting again.
No, listen.
I drank when you're 20,000.
On the pilot now. Uti pilot now. We cannot bring a minimal amount. Say the mom. Look, we want to know the kind of birds we are feeding. Say the birds they are good for this production. Now, sir, if the birds are not going to work, I will say you want for new birds and bra. And currently, birds, who said they are the brawlers and go for a play. And then, and I make it has moved the economy during the Salah. If you don't understand, I'm telling you, it has moved the economy.
Young substantive.
How do you say who do birds the case here? Onya but onya much research on any amount working. Who do you say before February 1st, 2016? Now a status of pure water. Look. A single pure water item made 20 pesos before 2016. Not back I 3 cities. A new town of 3 pesos. And people that see on my from 2016 they call and then how much is a bag of pure water? It's not true. A drug is not 40. No. Okay.
A bag.
Let us be honest. Let us be honest. Let us be honest. No. A bag today, a bit on 10 cities.
Depending on the
depending, yes. And as long as I answer during 2016, there were 3 cities and 3 pesos.
Yeah.
I special and other brand, But on one more time, you say 7 cities and 10 cities. Meanwhile, you took the governance when it was only 3 cities, 50 pesos. Now you are selling it at 10 cities. Let me account on one. Mine I say ABC. Yani had that say, look, we need to bring all the raw materials. Let us manufacture them locally. Then we'll be able to get all the raw materials.
Sompa FM.
Because in so many Ghana here, party of much more Buama or BIF so NDC.
At the NDC for
yes, we have mechanized waters. Look, today as I speak,
mechanized water by the
yes, as we speak today, when you go to Ejura today, he's here. There are so many mechanized boreholes for, which is at no cost. When the NDC government came, as I speak, Muhammad Ba Power, he has given each and every constituency 10 mechanized boreholes, each and every constituency. So on for 10 no own see. He's aware. I can show you those who are doing it. One. Those contractors they are given to do. And that's what is part of those they've given. Contractors said their moms or they have now started doing it. To me, I contend that I can be mammy. But then I wouldn't say a party I couldn't get. Until tell say the government of the day today think about Ghanaians and think about the people of Ejura and its environs. Then power I can say Ekrobia onya bowls 10 each. Multiply 10. Multiply 10 by 275 constituencies. Obenya saying, hasn't it reduced the plight people are facing through water? And also we are another region. The problem in getting water. And then incredible now on my penny that dreaming and say look. I was saying, they are Krobia more 10. They won't see. Everyone's in what they are not having a day. And you are talking of a government that has not helped Ghanaians. Now saying and the ministry was here. Sorry, this Yakati answer. Yes, you remember during those days, Yakati the excellency president. Akupado say, excellency president Omoye Yenesia. He doesn't listen. He's not a listening government. No, Okati na ye. Ya yanzu bi atem. Oka bi atem excellency obey. Sada can't believe ya Muhammad Beti was supam na wakoye and now no akoko farmers we kon amusu Muhammad tie want the Muhammad Odiyaka Muhammad read it he read the video and on the bar out as I make funny on that and I say he help them. It is a process. And open my opinion. What now bought on mine in terms of insure. Yes, excellent John Dramani Mama. I know ya Obia any super and
CJ, may I say, who do a quick 30 seconds now? Memra said TJ Hornum na yen shasye yen share that of a year fuel and then GPRT4 grievances on more.
Nana, the TJ Kasan Konkan, the whole Ghana here on my Piniquan statement of my was it be what you call 25 coincidence.
Sompa FM.
What you call Omina, Obiana 1,000 best, 1,000 best. And Omudi Koma, a former secretary. But
I see a journey 20,000.
Oh, may make a post crowd. But those who said the Okan, no crown worker. Omina, the whole Ghana, Omina 25 coincidence, Omudi Colombia, 1,000 best, 1,000 best. And we saying Kafama Bia was at least the minimum was 50. And we come on more for no better than 20,000. It's a junior 20,000 now. Nipa Mutoma a Sankabu police station for Nkwan. Then no Caribbean anywhere a womb. And now I can't ensure Hassam. Ye can't abaya or buy a wood to ensure. I say in this day, come on, come be. Mutu ensure that Ben. Uko do that necessary and sure you just see a MP by any community water, any pajamu. Ebe kan Ghana Water Company ho bi o su amecha de otia amadia ne branch ba ko ho na ba ko so ewo e friend say police station ni enchen ho omo main ayi ne ewo ho nti ye kan aban wa ba wo bo nsu ya enya mo na mo ba ya mo ye niam basa enne mo ba ye se mi bra mo kan di fa se mo mo man ho an han ya no you are not doing anything better bia nti no at least for respect ma atiefo say e ba nsu we dira mo nka ho bi ye tu sana mo no ekoyi
such ye yan hwe GPR2 for the current fuel prices echo or more grievances and I'm told many GPR2 for PRO din come so afenum koshia ministry no any minister now for or ma make a concrete decision on fair
sometimes on my empelo correct and I will be AC on my
Sompa FM
say a political jandam. People are motivated by politics. During the NPP era, Johanna petrol it me shoot 2 years. Even though before I'm leaving Echo 40, but Echo 18 cities. They were increasing the prices of TNT. None, it has been stabilized for almost a year. Now stabilized, you know. Mo am ye GPR to mpeni for no you dey reduce it ya kasasa want so and later mo better so am so mo dey 120% na say na want so meanwhile ya so more than 4 cities none there's crisis a world crisis now there's increment in fuel now you want to increase again they are not fair to we Ghanaians. Because ye Ghanaians no ye knew how many now then tina obi be sorry at any point in time no increase and I must say they pay oh yes I be na na tumpo and to GPR to you I was say me dey be American if I were the government or I am Mahama today I'm aware are you aware say over 200 cars cars if Egypt and they about
100 buses
but just
100 buses.
200.
Ministry phase 1.
But then the total is 200, right? Now I'm sure say the government will look much into that. Yankra cars so that we can be able to compete with the private sector. That is the more reason why private sector they be people come say during 80s and 90s. So that time they were having commercial cars buying the eye cut Bejina for a series and point out. The government of the day should do that, so that they will know that there is competition. Now abide there no, or better less, or more money high. So who do money before high, I ever full less because they need car. Because who do mobile power, almost start getting a good bottom into who do better maintenance 10 years, 20 years, in the position still they are rich. Almost cast can only be service right. So I am advising the government that look,
Sompa FM.
This transport, government transport, that will compete any private ones, you know. Say they be about more money because over Ghana, look, the middle class in Israel, the rich class Israel, yeah, this cano and they don't so. Obit me sorry, they will be quite a problem. Until obit me track from her to KDT because the fare is too much. What mean to ya? And then madam would maybe I would wait for a drive for car from a drive to Kumasi. And I think even with this 200 you will pay because he has the money. Now mena maba power na say me nation you know e better na me so mako e jura no bi. E better na mako. Nti was say on my opinion.
Are we not facing the reality because at the end of the day can any idea no go so of course. I also nya government transporter e what say tete no osamo eba vanef mo nyina. Also nya bi ayelo buses and all that e beboa for commuters no crowd almost stress swati. But the reality say Kaneno fu any bar from na drivers are you imagine so munti so. We were annoyed, we are angry with them. But they say the reality has catched up. World market prices issue to up. It's not their fault. Anna oko pump stance and so on. The reality is dawning on us. Can we also blame a private individuals?
But let me let you understand that. South America fuel no, ever 18 cities no. How much did they increase? And a fuel no ever to an extent of 11 cities no. South time also the government has reduced over 6 cities. And among my use only 120%. Can that one be fixed? Only 120%. No, you've increased it over 5 cities. And the government of the day and also would decrease it by only 120%. Are you fair to Ghanaians? You are not fair to Ghanaians. I'm not fair to yourself. Look, I'm equally a driver myself. My top person we cannot say come back and then me just look, drivers, we are getting money. Men me die politics. I say, I'll go into driving because there's money. The Ghanaian drivers are more or less like wicked to we the citizens. And now top fuel, me call Western North, me talk 600, and me call buy and I pay one me buy program here. Imagine say me can a boxy, a tikili part 7, so multiply 7 or me all the free air cost no baby I'm calling. That is baby any you pay like let's say 100 cities and 120 multiply 120 by the number of nipa more on better can one we 7 no. Now that brother say in and out before so about we almost 1,000 6,008. Now what 600 per a day no. Look at the amount you are doing and you are doing so for only less than 300 and 200 cities. The driver will go home with about 600 or 700 in his pocket a day. Multiply 700 by 30 days saying what I say, and your drivers are very wicked. Let us talk. Let us be. They are very wicked. They are very, very much wicked. They should sit together. I want to say, no one said, look, aside on now, who phones of folk can be. About do maybe I want to me and cock wine so. Or people phone a day you can.
But they also talk about maintenance of car, spare parts, Nissan money now.
Maintenance of car and spare parts. They shouldn't even say this. And that's all I say. And then dollar say look and then say me card there for my money na say me tua en kan na wuru mu time na say me tua 18 cities and na me tua like 11 cities na ba Ghana ama me na ma to there 11 cities na me maba na me turn 20 cities our driver say look Ghanaians na sometimes you think about these things and you wouldn't understand a Ghanaian person a person onya mfaso bebre e wa de ba koso
mate
wa to phone 8,000 cities. Or person Ghana no 2,000 and 3,000. It doesn't make sense.
But I say reality or they are being wicked.
Nana I remember TJ can cry. I'm crying because the same people here all can want some saying don't we are wicked no. Sangrofo ya na ye campaign ma wo ba ban mu enka omu ni se obetena fidie so anapotutu adi o matama koma nko we still omu time ankoje na lie anto aba ma wo se be ye nhihye papa na omu enheha omu na etama ye tila events en fuel boss no NDC Ghana nyina even nsanhwefo ne ye fe ne say omo into film actors mu nyina no they were praising the government say mama bono ho mode wate fuel boss so my ya o kuma say events en kura on video bia we one of the actors bi only video bia we was adwuma mama be ye no one day no o ma ba o 1,000 years kwa wonti minya ta me na fuel no so ate aba 999 and no mu di bom ho asafo hene and mama no be gina simple so ka say Russia ni Ukraine e kontoko a bomb na bala ndo Ghana ha na Ghana ye wo ho ye so ho da ya na so mayam fa Russian Ukraine wo kra mba mesim and then they really not set in ye ka kira man ko say o man no ye ngina yi endi the for a PR works kasa keke na omo kana omo se nyema ekoyi yi nti no Ghana fo njintum sa that's not true the reality na set in na omo hunu na ukwa 25th of May 2025 GPLT for omo te ye friend saying lorry first so by 15% so okay that you know omo te so by 15% I don't know omo te so no even come mama class show appreciation e di mama say omo te e friend saying ayi bo so but nanse ya omo mpeni VAT 5% ayi na VAT no why increasing the area ko 20%. Nti niema na omoto na ebia spare parts be na omoto na ebia you saying 600 no and the time we acquire to almost 900
Sompa FM.
Nti who no ka say from that angle nya mo ntuma what do you mean now un ka sample bi anchiro ma you whatsapp betena ha na o twa mo adapa no potutu na the reality ni say
adapa de on twa hom
o say omo ye wicked na ye dey o ka to be say we wicked o ka to be say we wicked very bad Sangrofo ya na ye ko elections omo ye drivers for no end the focus station by station e ka tell you buy better fuel boss forgetting say fuel no enye Ghana commodities na Ghana ban control and they really need set in one be a event saying edi mo akokoduru so as TJ o kan dey asem na o hwe VIP for no so hu new prices na aba no yeah Mr TJ ejura na 120 Ghana cedis and omo da ko 160 from Sunyan na ye be 160 cents so
120
na one dey ko saying
150
what from Accra to wa na ye 320 330 and they got 390 that's the reality I work for ma and this for also mujitum say and some na mudi ye campaign for point be about fuel ni nyina no kwe na aba be that say munni chi people bia ye e was anema no you don't have any control over fuel prices a international market and determine fuel price until no we be consider na ka wa pachew aka kire san ko say chele and some na ye kan no ye no and ni but ye ba ban mu ye ho say no kura bia ye de enche da enni de ye kan no mutimo for ye boni enche ye wo kasa na na tiban 40 wase but to the sense say we better na kan say wo blame GPLT4 and omo ye wicked obi we ye wicked na ko delay ato wa man de wa be gitumi no GPLT4 and address for mutia no po ya and this ni na better na kan say mutirimo odene Sangrofo we tumi show mo nsa omo ni solution bia de omo ka tell no but nke high time say obo say oh aban ni say okohye omo first one esote na aban kwahye omo no negotiate na aban omo take so 15% me gidi say aban no omo kwahye aban be say okay bia tax component bia sa 1 cedi na either friend saying a liter of fuel so no aban okay my reduce my 50% free so aka 50% and we dey say dia Mr. Man the manage we dey emame na VAT na what tum from 5% to 20% no or my reduce na be 10% say my reduce by 10% because of that say be make question Ghana for ni na hwan no mo enko this sector obetena na o kan say me be na under COVID time na don gwa for the Ghana for use so free o yeah lifeline consumers of electricity o may use no free and o slash o ma mo above the event saying by line so no o you 50% free so this government are order dream timamfo ho enya wodi we ya ho kire ba so na wa jase edi adriver for atem no we will not accept that nana you third topic now enti the ye kan di sinyina ne say
yeah the represent TV show pedasi
mama no see the me end the phone etia say nyina ne say omo dintum sensem na omo kan nyina no opposition no the reality na set in ama one say nukure papa bi ani ho ayede e wo de omo ka kire Ghana for no nti a high time say omo pa Ghana for chew e for fuel prices ho e fa fencing lot of fare increment no ho na omo njintum say omo agufu e na taxes na omo de ba no omo reduce na driver for no ho yede enhe ha omo wontimi increase fuel prices and increase VAT ama spare parts bo enkosoro na obetene reduce so na poi na wo kase editia e friend say driver for na me say
Better I say. Emil Smith say good morning and teacher constitution we are more say in fact the economy in Ghana has brought hardship on Ghanaians, but I don't know why NDC keeps defending this sachet water producers have increased the price already. So I don't know why the minister wants to meet them. Things are getting out of hands, but things are getting out of hands. But all opinion leaders are quiet. Nobody is talking about 24-hour economy, Galamsey and LGBTQ plus. NPP with Dr. Baumia should come and save us in 2028. My regards to Honorable Mavis in Kansan Bodu and Nana B and JFK. TJ, today I'm proud of you. My happy amount. TJ, onim obi a friend Khadija. And then many say, say massive respect. Me the man. I'm Khadija, Mr. TJ's wife. Tell him we are watching him live and he should keep it up. We love him. Khadija, your husband also loves you so much. Masa Metuche. Hi, Mr. Host. Good morning to you and my able youth. Commander for educating us this morning. Mahama is not the solution to Ghanaians' problem. They are now creating mess, and he said Mahama never again. MPP will bounce back coming 2028 as Sami inside Edra Babaso.
Yeah, Sami.
Okay. My regards to Honorable Gifty Ndoma Oba Noa. And this one also writes a lot of message this morning. Good morning, dear host. God bless you for your good works. Please tell the NDC man that he shouldn't infuriate us. What is war in this country? I'm not getting someone to buy my maize at 450. They should face reality and stop tickling themselves. Kwajo Donko Krum. And then messages, those who say, offer posting is by batches. So imagine those who completed 2021 are coming to be posted with 2022 going. Is not fair, cry. Okay, thank you, bro. And this one also writes, good morning, please tell the NDC man not to provoke we the farmers. Do he want to tell me the farmers previously cashew 2,000 now 1,000, maize previously minimum 600 to 1,000 plus now 350 to 400? Farmers are really suffering. Do he mean NDC farmers don't want progress and he is saying they are happy? And also there Ade Abba no. From Almighty Crocodile in Swatro said the incoming communication director for MPP in Asante Achim, the hardship facial has become unbearable. President Mahama, you have failed. I agree, Chairman Koka Honorable Kwako in UK and Mr. Kese of Stellis Pharmacy Konongo and Adiwe Efri Eba. And this one also writes this morning, good morning, Mr. Host. What the NDC man is saying is very true, pa. Though things are not yet all that okay, but far better than MPP. MPP time, majority of Ghanaians are beggars because the increment of commodities were too much. Now, almost 95% of Ghanaians can afford food, and same to business with the little they have. Julius Agahoha. And when so say, good morning, Sompa. I'm Ima from Dia. So please, how much is pure water? How much is pure water? One bag. TJ was my classmate at Staff Edra. I am very disappointed in him. How can you lie on national television that Edra farmers are enjoying? The NDC government has disappointed the good people of Ghana. From Buampong, Edra for no come for you. Yeah. Now. Good morning, Abusia 4. Okay. My messages, NC Hanum. Na anope yemfa course, Hey, remember no call. 0548931931 0554931931. Barbara Mumian Fair 4. Hello, good morning.
Hello,
good morning, Openyini. Meju so din baby afrefi.
Uni akọ kọsọ ma bi nta ta bi kuma tin kia so.
Wa kuma yenti ano pe yo.
Ana pe na me tia pa na ya mo ba so na get ya go ko ja obo duma. Na me tia pa ta ma ko bi se ta ni pa tan tero yin. Wala bu dikem e ya sa to jo gra ja bi mo mu jo ala pa me ti o mo. Uri se ma ma bu bo si ya. Ene fu e Ghana bi ya politics. Eno na mwa emo ma o yan ko yenim. The same level for the near the independent president to do Mamma Malakurin. That's right here, Mom, that go back here. So back for one or for free. That's a better than the Yaki. And let's tell nobody that you will I'm a net when a road you cry for war. So bet their working, you know, and there were and no fire. And only Papa, not Mamma Malakurin. And for net, you're the politics, the president.
Man, that's a cool. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open your dinner, baby, free.
I'm Baton Samini, make a free a grab of us.
Two guy in Tiano pay.
You don't know, more youth organizer, I say maintaining honorable Abaso education or their man, none what touch papa. See, Sabri, but come to defend the party MPP. No man, any same man, can't happen more position. What's almost in the any you Indiana. Who can say and say, and talk to me, myself, what can grow water. You can't say any man, you have a cat, and somebody defending you, and they have say, and they could move over to
Sompa FM.
Sammy made us say, hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Open your dinner, baby, are free.
My name is Bismarck, because I feel a drug.
Okay, you into your Bismarck.
And if I get the Marcel, I do my palm with mine. In fact, both panels on your station, in fact, I can't just carry them away because they are not really focusing on the causes of drug problems. Because if you come to a drug right now, I speak, there is no single work. The only work in a drug here is only farming. And Monday you go to market and then carry this maize. But maize is why you talk and you call we never know what. There's no single work. The youth are suffering.
Bismarck, and I am more major topic and then national issues. Abia no suncha. That's me, Bismarck. I'm in your birthdays in MCR with the speed of light. Mamma birthdays with the speed of light. Happy birthday to Peace Agbekpo of Agbo, Volta region. Today is your birthday, Peace. We ask God's favor and blessings upon you. You are a special person, so enjoy this special day. From Sergeant Edukwatin of Agbo, District Police. He says, happy birthday to you, Peace. And happy birthday to my dear mother, Auntie Efua. Auntie Efua, Baby, a guy too. Auntie Efua, Auntie Efua, Papa B. On behalf of myself, Kwame Jakon, Diamond, Akwesi, Crystal Palace, Crystal Pub CEO, Ra, and then Nana, Obia say happy birthday to you. Wufo Obia say ba. Tinyame ma ho den no ma pom den o ma kwatintin. Happy birthday Auntie Efua. Enjoy this special day. Auntie Efua ni we feel you too. Okay. So the happy birthday Enkoma Abubakar Muhammad Aminu, author, security analyst at the same time. Abu, happy birthday, sir. May you so high. Nyame for adum kwa adum ala enyo kese. Kopim so be o kese pa. Ejin say o salute you on my happy birthday. And a glorious birthday to Esther Kofi. Esther Kofi, a happy birthday to you. You are a sister-in-law. Esther Kofi, happy birthday. More of everything, my love. From your brother Kobe, all your siblings and Ketri Obi. They say happy birthday. They love you so much. And to Salima Ibrahim Panti and Salim Ibri Panti and Tafo Ata Niata Papabi. Happy birthday to you, Salima. onionua Salim. Yes, sir, Allah, so many shining yakeswam so. Allah famun free adumu enkwa adumu. Today is a special day for you guys, and we ask Allah for his blessings and mercy to you. Salim Ibrahim, a miner, as drilling contractor, Comfort Hospital, Kumasi. May the good Lord bless them and give them long life with strength. From Ebenezer Owusu Ansa, Ebenezer Oye Jumo Sompa TV and Sompa FM. So I'm happy birthday, senior brother, professor. Happy birthday. And happy birthday to Sheila Adoma. Sheila, today is your birthday. You are a nurse at Mankranso Government Hospital. May the Almighty God bless you and protect you for us. Sakina of Mankranso and the NDC powerful ladies and the DC. They say happy birthday to you. On that note, who do any TJ? Thank you, gentlemen, for coming. From Kwame Nkwantabisa, I'm from Nkwantabisa. I'm sure we be.